friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new here and you end up liking what you see, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. But the last few days of every month, I save up all my thrifted finds and share them at once. And this month I didn't go very much, but I found about a dozen really cute things I can't wait to share with you. I'm always looking for craft supplies and farmhouse decor and seasonal decor. So I've got it all laid out here on the counter, and I'm going to share with you what I found. I think my best score of the month was this farmhouse style sphere little accent lamp. I'm almost positive this is the exact one at Kirkland's for $29.99, and I got it at Goodwill for $4.99. The next couple things was two brand new Hearth and Hand. They almost feel like flannel, but they're really good oversized napkins, and I love the green and black plaid, and it'll just really fit into my woodland rustic Christmas decor. I think I'm going to use both of them as part of a table runner for my dining room table. So you'll probably see these napkins again when I do some Christmas decor. I picked up this cute little fella. I don't normally decorate for St. Patrick's Day. It just really depends on the gap between St. Patrick's Day and Easter and things like that. But I used to do more, but I just thought this was cute. And I'll sit him somewhere in the house in the month of March. This originally come from Target, and I paid 99 cents for him. Now, I also paid 59 cents a piece for these Hearth and Hand napkins. They're at least $5 a piece at Target. Now, this one was in a set. I paid individually 99 cents for this birchwood candle, and these two little ones were packaged together. So I paid $2 for all three, but they actually look like real birchwood. And normally you find the faux birchwood candles, but these are real wax candles. But I will incorporate these somewhere in my Christmas decor. I'll probably take that ribbon off, but just love the look of those, and I'll find some kind of candlesticks or something to use those for. Now, just thought this was cute. This is like a little accordion style, and it just says Noel. It's solid wood, but I just love the little whimsy word and the Santa and everything. I could stick this anywhere in the house, and I paid $1.99 for that. All of the little hot pads at Goodwill are always 59 cents. This was a brand new one. Just thought the little Santa was so cute, and you know, if it gets ruined and stained by Christmas time, I can throw it away for 59 cents. Just something cute to hang on the cabinet or set somewhere on the kitchen counter during the month of December. Now, here's another good score. I just ended up buying a couple of these the other day at Bath & Body Works. These are the small little jar candles. You know, they have the big 3-wick, but now they carry these small ones that are like $10 a piece, and that's what I paid for them. I found a brand new one, caramel apple, and never been lit. I thought I had this exact one at home. When I got home, I had apple pumpkin, and this is caramel pumpkin. I'll enjoy that for the month of November for sure, but $3 versus $10, this was a score. Now, I just thought this was really pretty. This is, I kind of call this a candle plate. You could put any kind of little cloche glass dome or something on it. I shared a little glass dome I had last month that I really originally bought this for. So we'll see. I just thought it was pretty. I could put a candle on it. With it being royal blue, I can use it during patriotic times, but just love the little scalloped edges, and just thought it was really pretty for 99 cents. I don't have my glasses on with me. I think this was TJ Maxx, but I just love this kind of mercury glass little votive cup that I can stick a candle in, but just thought it would be so pretty at Christmas time, or really any time. But it was originally $8, but I got it for 99 cents. This I actually just picked up for my granddaughter. It was just a little 99-cent craft kit. It comes with a little piece of felt and the little dowel rod. She can glue the little sequins all on the little chick. So I'll just put this up for a few months, and this will be something that'll keep her busy one afternoon, and she will get a kick out of doing that little spring wall hanging. I don't normally share things that I find to flip, but I just love these little wooden cross cornered frames. So you'll be seeing these in the next week or two. These frames are brand new in the package, 2 of them. It has all the hardware and everything. I'm going to find some kind of printable or something really cute to do something for Christmas with these. Just love the look of those, but you'll be seeing those pretty soon here. And last but not least was this gallon bag. I went to another thrift store on the other side of town. The whole gallon bag of ribbon for 99 cents. I pick these kind of things up every chance I get because ribbon's expensive, and I love to make those little scrappy bows that only takes like 6 inches, and this will just be perfect to add to my big ribbon stash. So there you go, friends. Not a whole lot. I tell you, if you blinked, you'd almost miss this haul this month, but look at some of the fun, brand new, trendy things I have found for a fraction of the cost. I tell people all the time, this is not grandma's thrifting anymore. It's totally worth going and seeing what you can find. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back next week with another cute project to share. Bye-bye.